I've detested cereal as a breakfast option my entire life. As a founding member of the Texturally Temperamental Club, the idea of scooping a spoonful of mush into my mouth if I didn't time the milk to cereal pour just right is enough to crack open my anxiety floodgates far too early in the day. Can you tell I'm sensitive? But when I need a carby choice that's stronger than a banana and lighter than one of my baked oat bars, cereal starts to look tempting. That's why we're making a more nutrient-dense Rice Krispie treat with chia, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds, honey, almond butter, and quite a healthy scoop of cinnamon. Simply combine the honey, almond butter, and coconut oil and cinnamon and microwave for a minute. Mix in your seeds and vanilla, then pour over your rice cereal. Pat your mixture into a lined baking tray and stick in the freezer for an hour. Then you can snap, crackle, and crunch your way through this tray without a soggy flake in sight.